great little etude with character. You know, it's got personality. It's tempo di marcia, but yeah, there's just so much happening here. He really is trying to make it sound dramatic, like you know, like some kind of procession of very interesting characters. So when you play this, remember, dynamics really help understand how to approach double stops. Like sometimes you need to press a little bit more, sometimes you need to back off. Sometimes you need to give more speed, sometimes you need to go slow. So pay attention to what the bow is doing, of course. And remember, the double stops themselves, you just have to memorize those shapes. The shapes, when the more you memorize them and then work on how to connect those little shapes together, really, I think that kind of covers a pretty big part of double stop magic for a violin. But really, it's just a matter of experience. You know, you really have to get your work in, as athletes like to say, get your work in with double stops, and you will start to get it, I think. Anyway, this is a great book for getting your work in, completely free of charge on IMSLP. Download it. Follow me along. I'm trying to record all of these little etudes and play them. You know, even if it's not good, if it sucks in the beginning, it's okay. Just get started. I think you'll find your way as you go. You know, just don't stop. I think most people struggle because they just sounds bad in the beginning, and then they don't pursue it. Hey guys, if you're enjoying my videos, please consider joining my YouTube membership and supporting this channel. Or you can do so on Patreon. Either one is fine. I appreciate your support. That will provide meaningful financial support for me to help these videos going for everyone. So please consider. You can cancel anytime. Thank you so much.